Good morning or a good afternoon for some of you, depending when you watch this. I'm going to go over what you're going to do in class today, and hopefully you have your earbuds with you. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit. So we're going to try and get 3 things done in class. If you get 2 of them done, I think you're in really good shape. So you're going to put a star by step 3 and step 5. We're not doing this right now. We are going to do step 4 later. We're just going to do that in class when I'm there, and I can help you guide you a little bit on that, a little bit more. So the goal is, I acknowledge the other side is, what do other people think? So one way is I have a transition sheet that I gave you, and I pulled out as, I'm going to say, however, some people, and I would tell what other people feel that lying isn't okay and it's wrong. I would discuss what the things they thought about were wrong. So my ultimate goal is I'd like to have 2 to 4 sentences here discussing what other people think. There's no opinion in it. It's me telling what the other side of the topic would possibly be. We're going to skip craft your thesis. Then we're going to go down to write a hook. The beginning of your essay is called the hook because it hooks readers in. The hook should relate to the topic of your essay, but it can take many forms. It could be an anecdote, which is a very short story. Describe your experience with lying. Have you ever told a lie spun out of control? Have you ever told a lie that made a friend feel better? You could tell a really good story about it. You could also look up a story. And it would go something like, I once read, all right, a surprising fact. Again, it says, find a fact that will raise eyebrows. Several surprising facts are included in the article. You can also do some research. These are people who want to just have an amazing paper. They're going to go search for a fact that'll blow people's mind, maybe about lying. If I type in the word lying in statistics or facts. So remember how we did a keyword search yesterday? That's what you want to do. You want to try to find a primary source and maybe do a keyword search right here or an advanced search. That will really help you. Or I could find a thought-provoking quote that relates to the topic. Again, you can use something from the article that you haven't used yet. However, if I go on the web, this is really going to help me create something. There are many ways to start an essay, but we're going to focus on anecdote, surprising fact, rhetorical question, or finding a quote. All right, then your hook will be right down here. It could be 1 sentence to 3. It may be 3 if it's just a direct quote. And I mean 3 if a story. Maybe 1 if it's just a direct quote from somewhere. Then the last thing is, if you have time, and if you don't finish this, that is okay. Let the readers know a little bit about the issue you're writing about. This is not your point of view. It's a brief summary, I'm going to underline summary, of the issue. Finish the summary of the debate over lying that appears below. Sometimes people don't tell the truth to spare others' feelings or to be polite. Some people think that lying is okay. Others think that I'm summarizing both sides. So others feel that this, and this. This is going to be anywhere from 2 to 4 more sentences. All right? Basically, I'm without opinion. All right? This is not your point of view. Remember how we talked about the word bias? There shouldn't be bias in this. It should be just what your thoughts and feelings are. All right? I feel that in 35 minutes after you listen to this and do everything, you should have no problem getting this done. So let's recap. You're going to acknowledge the other side in 2 to 4 sentences. You're going to skip thesis and central claim. You're going to write an awesome hook. And then you're going to summarize the issues. All right? If you have any questions, you may shoot me an email during the day. Have a great time. This should end up not being homework.